Hello beautiful people, and welcome back to my channel. Yes, you've seen this shirt before. Yes, you've seen this setting before, because I just filmed two totally different videos, and those will be out I don't know when things come out. I just film things and I edit them and I post them. If you hear noise, my husband is in there with our two little ones, and they are talking and they are playing. So that is my house. Welcome. So today, as you've seen from the title, I purchased a Felicia Leatherwood brush. This is the one I got. I got the like neon pink color, and the only instructions on the box, this is the little plastic box it came in, is to achieve the best results. We recommend you use the brush during conditioning treatments. I have a deep conditioner in my hair. Yeah, this is going to be a review for this brush because I want to try it. You know, when you put off doing your hair, it gets more tangled onto itself. Well, mine does. And okay, my hair is so tangled. Ooh. I got like big knots. Get my knots out. I'll tell you that, because my knots are actually, they not no punks. This brush is really it's really lightweight, and I feel like it's perfectly structured for my hand. Like, I'm not struggling holding it. It's not slipping out of my hand. These knots are just ridiculous. I can't believe how many knots I have in my hair. But it's mainly from just shed hair getting trapped. So I am having a hard time with that. I really can't skip a time. When it's time for me to wash and shampoo my hair, I can't skip it. If I do, my hair becomes a tangled mess. And I pay for it. I really do pay for it because it's another knot somewhere. And when I have these knots, no brush can get them out. So I honestly wouldn't expect this brush to get it out. No brush can get those knots out. I don't even know where it's at, but I feel it. I swear I feel a knot somewhere. Did this brush get that knot out? It gotta be in here. I think this brush got that knot out. It did, because I don't feel it. Wow. Okay. It snapped with that one. I never really expect brushes to get my super tangled knots out. And it did. My ears are raggedy. Wow. Okay, let's try another section. really gliding through my hair. I'm not having any pulling issues. I keep having issues with tangles being. Okay, to conclude my thoughts about this brush, it is flexible. Oh, watching Tierra Walker. It is flexible, and it is the original flexible brush. I wish this was more flexible, but I love that it's flexible because it's helpful. I wish the bristles weren't as hard. Unless you have the brush, you probably don't know what I mean, but the bristles are so hard. Like, I don't know, I wish they were a bit softer, and I don't know if that would change like how it detangles or if they're that hard for a reason, but I kind of wish they were softer. It does detangle fast. I really love the shape of it because something about the shape of it allows me to hold it in multiple places and still have a firm grip on it, and I'm able to control the brush more. So I really like the shape of it, and it does detangle well. I don't know if it's my favorite brush. I'll keep trying to use it because y'all know I really love my tangle teaser, but I'll keep toggling between the two to see if this one becomes a favorite because it works very well. My hair was extremely tangled. It took me an hour to untangle my hair, like extremely tangled, and this got a lot of the really bad knots out. So the fact that it could even do that and I didn't have to like put the brush down and separate it and take it out with my hand like I normally do was really impressive. But I can't quite say it's my favorite yet, but it does work very well. I really like the brush. I definitely recommend it, but I still don't know if it's my favorite. So I have to give sis a little time, you know, give her a little time. I'm really glad you guys caught the review of the Felicia Leatherwood. In case you were thinking about, I got conditioner. Is that conditioner? I know in case you were thinking about purchasing, it is something that I would recommend giving a try. And the brush retails, I think, for $14, but then the shipping is like $6, so it's a $20 brush. It's a black owned brand, so you know, support your people. That's all I'm gonna say. Support your people. And until the next video, thank you guys so much for tuning in with me, catching up with me. I know I look tired because I am, and it's not even 6 o'clock yet. I'm just exhausted. So I'll catch you guys in the next one. Don't forget to like, comment, or subscribe. I hope I gave you a thorough review. Bye.